everybody, this is Bonnie from bonniescreativeplace.stampinup.net, and I am here with card number 4 from our online class. For this online class, for the bundle that we've been doing, we've been doing the hand-painted bundle, and you just had to order this, and then you got the kit for free. All the information on how to join my online class is in the description box below, so make sure you go and you check that out. And if you need any help, my message or email, any way you can get a hold of me, is in the description box also below, and I can tell you what bundle we'll be doing in what month. The only thing I have to tell you is that the month we're in is already happened, so this month has already been done. You guys are seeing it and it's already happened. So you'd have to message me and find out what bundle we're doing, or get on my email list. You can go to my Facebook page and join my email, or my blog and join my email, and that information is in the description box below, and then you'll know what ones we are currently working on. So let's get started. For this card, when you get your kit, you're going to get all 4 of these in an envelope, and you're going to need the one that says card 4 right here. So you want to grab that, and you want to get all your supplies out. And in this bundle, we have a piece of basic white, and we're going to fold this in half at 4 1/4. It's a standard A2 card, which is 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and it's scored at 4 1/4 in the middle. Then you have a piece of soft succulent and a piece of designer series paper, and this is the hand painted designer series paper. So you definitely want to get some of this if you want to make more of these cards. But these are already all cut for you. So we are going to head, before we attach this down, we're going to take the ribbon, and we're just going to put a little bit here. I think I have that too high, so we're going to lower it down somewhere here. And this is the soft succulent ribbon that's the new in color, and we are going to put this, I'm guessing you got more than enough ribbon, but I like to make sure you guys have enough than not enough. Okay, I'll put that down, and I'm going to trim this because I got a little too much there. Did I even put there? We'll make sure I put adhesive where it goes. Now we can put some adhesive on the back of this and attach it to this soft succulent piece right here. I just love this paper. It's just, I just love it. I don't know if you guys haven't ordered it yet. I would recommend it in July because it's definitely on sale. So if you're watching this then. Okay, so here we have this. So now we're going to just set that aside, and we are going to bring in our stamping piece. This long piece is going to be for you to stamp on. I'm going to bring in our foam mat, and I am going to be bringing in pale papaya and soft succulent. So we're going to take the soft succulent, and we've got it's like this. It's got like a, let me bring in the picture frame. You're going to need this one right here, the glare's not there, and that one right there, and then the words we're going to use is anything is possible. So we need this one, and we're going to stamp this up, and you're going to stamp it kind of lower towards the bottom, but not off the paper. And you're going to stamp it 3 times. Now this will get a little lighter. Make sure you have a little room for the, you know, don't get them right on top of each other, because you want room for die cutting them out, because we're going to die cut these out. So we don't need that for a few minutes. Then we're going to bring in the pale papaya, and I hope that's going to stay on there. It kind of wanted to move. Let me get that. There we go. And then we're going to stamp this right over. I'm trying to get it the best I can. There we go. So we got that. Now this color, the pale papaya, we are done with, so we can put that back. We don't need that anymore. While I'm still here, I am going to take a circle punch. I don't even remember what size this is. I think it's it says it's a 2.5 circle punch. Stampin' Up! Don't sell the circle punch anymore, so you'd want one from the circle dies. Now I punched this out for everybody, so everybody already has this punched out. So then you're going to take the Memento Black ink and you are going to stamp up the Anything is Possible, and we're going to put it right about there. Okay, like that. Don't mind mine. Mine's a little flat there, but the ribbon should hide it, so I'm not really too concerned about that. So while we still have the ink out, and I don't want to get ink on everything else, I used a sponge dauber, and this just needed a little bit of color around this so it didn't pop. So it didn't feel like so much white. So I'm just sponging this around, and I just kind of keep going in until I'm happy with what it looks like. So there we go. So we got that. So now we are done with that. Now we're going to die cut this out. So we're going to bring in the little guy again. And we are going to bring in platform 1, platform 2, or platform 1, platform 2, and another platform 2. And we have to do this 3 times, so I probably will definitely fast forward this after I show you the first one. So we're just going to take it and we're just going to line this up, and sometimes it's not perfect, but you want to know what? It still comes out very cute, and I'm okay with that. So I'm just going to line this up. I'm going to offset, and I'm going to crank it through. Okay, and we are back, and I have all 3 of these cut out. So I'm just going to work with this first, and I'm going to add this one down flat. Okay, so I just went ahead and I just used the glue on the top half of the flower. I didn't even put it anywhere else, and I'm just going to put this one off to the side, kind of right close to the top. And I'm just going to put it down. Then I've got this next one, and I popped that one up. So I'm just going to grab a couple pop dots here, and I'm going to pop this up. And so this one just kind of goes like this, like right about here, like that. And then I have this other one, and I want to pop it up also, but I only want one side. So I'm going to put it on this side, and I'm going to put glue on this side over here. And then I am going to pop this up, and I popped this one up, kind of going like a crisscross over top of this, just like that. Then I popped this whole thing up on the back. I made a mess. I dropped them. And then I'm going to put this as far over to the side as I can. Like that. So I have room for my bow that we're going to put on here. So you're going to take your other piece of ribbon. You have 2 pieces in your kit. And you're going to pull this up, and we're just going to make a knot on here. Okay, like that. And then you're going to trim your knot off. Like so. I need to trim that one just a little bit more. There we go. Now this one. I got that one too short. There we go. So now it looks better. And then we're going to add some gems. And then there's one more thing we're going to do. Okay, get my... I took and I went and added 3 gems to this. Just like that. And then I couldn't do a whole class without doing some Winka. We need some Winka Stella. And all I put it was on these tips of these flowers right in here. That's all I did. I didn't want it anywhere else. I just thought, oh, this is going to make these pop. And it really did. Now, I'm going to bring up this one because this one's all dry. And hopefully you can see the Winka Stella on there. It just makes this whole card pop when you do that. So that is card number 4 of my online class for the hand painted dies. Thank you for joining my class. Thank you for liking, subscribing, all the good stuff, guys.